Okay, 67 through 72 Chevy truck doors. A lot of people know they crack where the hinges mount. I'll show you on this door. This one's cracked right here. Some of them crack really bad. And I'm going to show you what I've learned that the reason why they're cracking. The place where the hinges mount, if they're not aligned with each other, it's going to cause the hinge pins to not be aligned, and they're going to be stressed and it's going to crack. I'm going to show you how to check it and how to straighten out the door frame if it's not aligned just right. And what I'm going to use just to check it, just a couple pieces of angle iron, and I'm just going to set them right where the hinges would go. And I'm going to just use the washer on the bolt just to snug it down just a little bit so it won't move around while I'm checking it. Okay, here's what I've got. Just a piece of angle iron. I'm going to take a straight edge. I'm going to use a level right here. I'm just going to lay across this. And it's going to be hard to see in this video, the gap. But on this door, they're both, the hinge pins would be like this. They're angled in. So the door frame on each side needs to come up so the hinge pins are aligned. And to do that, you have to make a tool. And this is the one I made. Just a piece of, I used a piece of 1/4 inch steel, and I have 4 holes in it to match up where the hinge mounts. You could make it have an old hinge and just weld a piece of pipe on the end, but you do have 4 holes in it so you can use it on each side. And you're just gonna mount it on there. You're just going to mount it on there like that, bolt it down with 3 bolts, and then you're just going to use a hammer and just give it a few whacks and keep testing it and check and make sure you get it both level. And on this one I'm going to have to go this way and that way. Like I said, the hinge pins on this one are angled in like that. And what this door is doing, every time you open and close the door, it's flexing the door frame, and that's what's causing the crack. So I've got to get those aligned together. Alright, I've done this a few times and it's still got to go a little bit more, so you really have to hit it pretty hard to straighten it out. Well, that looks pretty good. That looks pretty good right there. That's about it. Hope that helps everybody. And thanks for watching.